Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we got two for the price of one. I'm here with Mike, another instructor here at JIEI, and we're here to talk about Google Classroom. Well, let's start with a very simple question, Mike. What is Google Classroom?
Um, Google Classroom is awesomeness. No, Google Classroom is an online platform to organize and manage your classroom. You
Hmm.
can collaborate, post assignments, add students, post grades. It's just a way to keep your classroom organized and on top.
Well, I think in today's day we need a way to stay organized and to stay on top of our online classrooms.
And as
Well,
teachers, organizations can be very difficult. So I agree.
man, you ain't kidding. How about we jump into it? Can you show us what a Google
Yeah.
Classroom interface looks like?
Right, so I'm going to turn away from the camera real quick so you can see my screen. This is, the when you click Chrome, this is the browser page that opens up. I'm going to click or toggle this box. This has all the icons that we use the most. Again, you can personalize these and move these around. So
Hmm.
let's get started. All right, so this is bringing up, I call this the desktop view, but this is how many classrooms have been created. Right now, I'm currently using 4 classrooms. For instance, if I want to click or make a new classroom, in Google, everything is done by this plus button. I will click the plus. I will create a class, and
Hmm.
I will call it Ian and Mike's Awesome Class. Yay, we created it. And as you see by creating it, it immediately took us into the classroom view. So this
Yeah.
is what your students will see. Your students will see this when they log in. And if you look up here, there's a classroom code. You can invite people, you can invite students into your classroom 2 ways. You can go to people, and I'll show you that here in a few moments, or you can send this code in an email. This code links them to this classroom. You can always go back in and personalize it. You can click select theme, and that just kind of changes what the classroom background looks like. So, oh, you know what? I like the flags. Let's do the flags. They'll change this background. Or if you click upload photo, you can always upload, like I've done for many of my classes, you can upload any personal photo on your drive or your desktop.
Sick.
Yeah, Google really lets you personalize.
Mm-hmm. All right. So this you have Ian and Mike's awesome class, but you have zero awesome students. What comes next?
That's correct. I need to add some awesome students. So I go back in and I go to people. So I'm the teacher and Ian's the teacher, so we're kind of the owners of the account. So we just come to this plus button. Again, Google is great because you can always add everything by the plus. I'll add Ian. I click his account here, and then I click invite. And then that will generate a notification. Ian will get on his end, and that will invite him to join.
So yeah, I got an email. Do I wanna join Mike and Ian's awesome class? Let's see, maybe. I will sorry, I'm not interested. No, I'll join.
You better join.
Okay.
Okay, so as you can see, we've added Ian. You can add as many students as you want, and you can add as many classes as you want. For instance, if I were an English teacher at a school right now, I would have my all of my English classes, maybe my English club, and I want to welcome you all to the class. You're going to see my picture. I can make an announcement that says, "Hello, everybody." I can choose who I want, what class. So if you want to send to multiple classes at the same time, you can. Be careful
Mm.
with that. So in case you send something to the wrong class, you can choose which students you want to send it to. By default, all of the students will be selected. If you unclick, then it'll take one or two off.
Mm.
But so I have all students, but I go ahead and click post. So everyone can see this, and this is a forum, and I encourage students to be active.
Hello, everybody, and welcome.